Welcome to Quizzy Trivia. Today's quiz is Guess the Snack. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Each correct answer equals 1 point. Tell us your score in the comments. Guess the snack. Correct answer is goldfish. Guess the snack. Gummy worms. Can you guess this one? It's a sandwich. What about this one? The correct answer is Doritos. This one is easy. That's right. It's pigs in a blanket. Do you know this one? The answer is grilled cheese. Guess this snack. It's Jell-O. This one is a little harder. Chicken in a biscuit. Guess the snack. The correct answer is milkshake. This one is tricky. It's Swedish fish. You gotta know this one. It's Starburst. Last one. It's a delicious cupcake. Did you enjoy playing Guess the Snack? Please like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to tell us your score in the comments.